Run.
What's up guys, welcome to a brand new video, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to kill buffaloes really fast. All you have to do is get on top of a buffalo, like right on its back, and start swinging your rage blade really fast. Get your rage blade heated up, and it just goes up with you. So you just have to get on top of the buffalkor, or however I say it, and only rage blades work. So keep that in mind. As you can see here, hammers don't work. It doesn't even make you go high. It just damages you a lot. So hammers don't work, cactus spikes don't work, what else? Titles don't work, and every other weapon doesn't work except rage blades. Only because rage blades are really fast, and it can, make the animals go higher. So when you like attack on buffalo, like at like their nose level or their like feet level, it just bounces them back and you have to chase after them. But instead you can just get on top of them, and as they go higher and higher as you damage them, you can go higher with them. As you can see here, this is a really good way to kill buffaloes really fast, and hopefully get the buffalo shard so much faster. And I think these like shards are really hard to get, so this method is probably the best way to get shards, and I really recommend using this to kill buffaloes. I think it works for scorpions too, because I haven't unlocked a scorpion island yet, because I need more battle XPs, but I need shards. So I want to hopefully get more battle XPs and test it out on the scorpions soon. But as you can see, you don't want to get near the head. So when you jump over it, you don't want to land on the head. You want to land on the body, because when you get around the head, it damages you. The buffalo really damages you a lot if you're like land right on top of the head and start swinging to make yourself go higher along with the buffalo. Do not get near his head. Get on top of his back and just keep swinging until you get a really good position and the buffalo goes up with you. It's really easy to do once you get used to it, so just keep practicing getting on top of the buffalo and just swinging the rage blade. Also make sure the rage blade is constantly swinging. Don't pause in the middle. When you like get off a buffalo and you move on to the next one, keep the rage blade swinging, because rage blade has a cooldown, and if you don't swing for a little while, the heat disappears. Same goes as when you eat a food, it disappears too. So if you want to met up, just met up and swing. Keep your rage blade heated before you top on, because the more heated the rage blade is, the faster it swings, and the faster you can kill buffalo on its back. This is probably the best way I found out, because I just wanted to get buffalo shards, but I accidentally found out a guy next to me just demolishing the buffaloes with a rage blade, and I was using a hammer at that point because I thought hammers were the best choice to kill buffaloes. But as I looked at the guy who was swinging the rage blade, he actually had a method. I thought he was just randomly swinging everywhere, but he wasn't. He was actually using a method. I don't know if anyone else like thought of this, but I actually didn't think of this myself. I just saw a random guy beside me just doing this. So whoever that random guy is, I hope he's watching this video, because this is a really good way to kill buffaloes. I think none of the YouTubers made a video about this yet, but this is probably the best way to kill buffaloes. No cap. Alright, so if you guys actually found this really interesting and useful at the same time, be sure to subscribe and like. We'll really appreciate it. And be sure to join the Discord too. Also, if you don't have a rage blade, just make one. It's really easy to make. Not that easy, but it's a little bit challenging, but almost everyone can afford it, because it's only like 100,000 coins worth right now. And I'm looking forward to stream again, so make a donation ticket in my Discord server and try to donate so I can stream again and give away coins to you guys. And if you guys like flying more than destroying buffaloes, do this method, because it just flies. Um sometimes like the buffalo, when it like launches up in the air, it spins and launches you into the air so far. It was kind of cool. I didn't get to clip it though. It was really cool. So keep trying this, see how high you can get. And thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys on the next one. This was Hichewjay, and peace out.